The sun just exploded, again. And it could knock out your GPS, your Wi-Fi, even airplanes in the sky. This isn't science fiction, this is a solar flare. And what happens next? You're gonna want to see this. Today we're breaking down solar flares, what they are, how they hit Earth, and what a massive one could do to our planet. Stick around because at the end we'll look at the one time a flare nearly caused global chaos. So, what exactly is a solar flare? Think of it like a solar tantrum, a sudden burst of radiation from the sun's surface. These flares unleash X-rays and UV light at near light speed. We rank them by strength. C is mild, M is medium, and X is extreme. X-class flares? That's the solar equivalent of a nuke. When a flare hits Earth, its radiation slams into our atmosphere, supercharging a region called the ionosphere. That's where your radio waves travel. HF radio blackouts, GPS interference, even airline communication failure. It's like throwing a wrench into the sky's control panel. Scientists use very low frequency waves, or VLF, to track these ionospheric changes. It helps them understand how much energy flares are dumping into our upper atmosphere. Remember 2012? The world didn't end, and the sun didn't destroy Earth. Galactic alignment? Totally harmless. The real science never backed that up. But here's something real. In 1859, a massive solar flare lit up skies worldwide. Telegraph lines sparked and caught fire. It's the biggest space weather event we know of, the Carrington event. Imagine that today? Power grid failures, satellite meltdowns, internet down for days, maybe weeks. Today, we're way more dependent on tech than in 1859. And yeah, a Carrington-level storm today would be a serious wake-up call. That's why scientists are watching the sun constantly. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory and the Stereo spacecraft are our solar watchdogs. They track every flare, every burst. Projects like Flarecast and ICEST use AI to forecast flares before they happen. It's not perfect, but we're getting better. The sun isn't trying to kill us, but it is powerful enough to remind us who's boss. Learning how solar flares work helps protect our tech, and maybe one day, our lives. Subscribe to this channel and like this video to see more of our space mysteries coming soon.